Hello, my lovely peoples. Oh, go on. First things first. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Finally, get mic. Is it me? Yeah, I don't even know. Manamu or whatever I want him. Sounds alright. So what is don't know. Anyways, so this week, as you can see, really just three trades I'm gonna take, and as you can see, how it has ended for the most part. But before we go into this, I have another thing to tell you. I found this signal group. So are you guys actually interested in trading? The signal group. I've been back testing what they have been sending out for like about 2 months now, and I think they're good. So like this video not going to be long, so I'm going to show you their videos and the signals that they have. So, and I'll probably leave a link in the description. So if you guys are actually interested in following it up, you can do that. But as per usual, still I see them two copyright strike here. Bummer. My views not really at like, I can't like put even the books them out because I'm like afraid of whole copyright situations. I'm just leave it. But as per usual, we're going to do the analytics. You can see what's what. And I don't really much make really this week. I don't know. This is a 42 dollars. If you notice a spike and then from here the second copyright, I'm just kind of low it out. You see me? So that's that. But let's have a sad story. We'll go back to YouTube afterwards. But yeah. So basically what happened this week is not really much, as I say already. But right here, like honestly, I should have kind of see this out. And if you notice my chart kind of look different than it look, I don't know how to fix it. I don't remember. So I'm just leave it until I figure it out later. But basically, what I was seeing for this particular trade that I took, right? This particular trade, I just thought that it was that the market was like, alright, data zone now, and it basically break, and then it was coming back down to shoot up, basically. You know me? Apparently that wasn't the case, or at least that's what I thought. It wasn't the case. So I expected to like, continue upwards. It did go up a little bit, but then when you check the levels, I should have noticed these, because I'm really this. What should have noticed was that I go so and made them two there, so it was a double top on them. Could I sell off? And then I was like, alright, with my stupid self, I didn't notice the double top, like bam bam. I never noticed it because I was like, okay, it's whatever. I never noticed it until like when I review the week. So I guess reviewing the week helps me. In addition, it kind of show you what I was thinking at that time. You see me? So when I say, alright, the market just fully retest now, and it continue. So that's why when I say it come right here, so then it wick out, and then it continue. I enter again, because I'm sure on one hour. Okay, when I enter one day. See, continue. I was looking profit, I'm feel nice and thing, and then it just turned over and stopped me out. So that's basically two trades right here. So, well, I think this one I did come out right at the line here because, well, I never like what was happening. You see me? Somebody can just get vexed and just come out that trade. And then the last trade I took was this one. You can see it got close. This was a lot. Because first thing first, this wasn't even the original entry. The original entry was somewhere like about here, so where I entered me like $3, then come out, and then re-enter again because I was like, alright, you know what, just follow through. And it go down to about right here, so right to the red line here actually. And then come out again because I don't know what's been happening. Like school start back, I just start stressing me out. Is it BG? So I don't know. But so that's what happened basically. And I just say I was pissed because this girl is followed through and continue. And this, as you can see, is a 1 to 5. So you know my regular 1 to 3. If it was even 1 to 3, TP this try long time, it wouldn't even come back. You see me? I would have win the trade. But I think what I'm going to know is just straight either TPSL kind of vibe back to whatever. I'm actually a review box. Someone knows them, because I feel like I kind of been slacking off. To be honest, kind of feel been a slack off because I have a lot of things I want to get done. Because I even started this company ish thing. You know, done it, so in really make sense me telling about it. But yeah, so there's that. Plus, I work on a course of stocks, because you know you can't be a YouTuber without having a course, you know. But yeah, so that's really that for like the whole trading week. Okay, guys, keep it posted. But now for the signal group. Alright, so let me see if I can find it. Alright, so basically you're going to go on YouTube and type in Quant, Quant, capital FX. Alright. So basically what this channel does really is one, them the signal, plus them also like do reviews and them things there on like the market and them some there like for the future market. You see me? So this video is out. This is for next week. So they basically tell you all of the pairs them that they will be analyzing, and then they'll like trade them. And then they have a signal group. They have an official premium signal group. I've been watching these guys from them not even have 1,000 subscribers. I was like the 200 plus person that was there, and yeah, so them big now. Them make look of money off of YouTube to kind of click this something I can see ad. But basically, you go up on them page, you're going to see the videos and thing, and what you're going to do now is go on the about section of their channel, and you're going to see you can join the Telegram signal group. If you join the Telegram signal group, join the Telegram signal group. Basically, I'm already in it. I don't really take the signal, just back test to like check on them things there. So yeah, so you can check all them things there what them do since this week for premium. August 3rd to September 10, it's like 10 days. So yeah guys, so if you're interested in that, then there's that. Remember tell some the day they were from 200 and now them 2,000 subscribers. So that's that. And basically that's it for this video guys. I'm gonna be dropping, I'm gonna try be on Mondays, make videos on Mondays, I don't know on Mondays. So yeah, so catch you in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.